How to turn off Vanish mode in Instagram on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode in Instagram on iPhone. First of all, you need to open Instagram and head to your direct messages. Open the chat whose Vanish mode you want to turn off. If you swipe up the screen, Vanish mode will be turned on. As you can see, the Vanish mode has been turned on. Now swipe up the screen once again. Vanish mode has been turned off. And that's a wrap on turning off Vanish mode on Instagram. No more accidental disappearing messages. Also, check out our video on how to unblock someone on Instagram Laptop 2023. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.